Hello friends. So our first question is, which of the following is not a chromosomal mechanism for sex determination? You see here, four option is given here. First option is xenic balance mechanism. Second one is haploid diploid mechanism. Third one is metabolic mechanism, and fourth option is single gene mechanism. So let's come to discussion of the answer. Okay. So according to our option, first option was genic balance mechanism. So listen here about the genic balance mechanism. Yes, it is a sex determination mechanism. So genic balance mechanism, we had already learned that this is applied in the Drosophila, and how we can determine, or this is given by the C.B. Briss scientist. Okay, so C.B. Briss determining the genetic ratio between the X and A. Okay, so in the X and A, they find the ratio. If one is there, so they are telling this is a fertile female. Okay, so if ratio will be 0.5, so it will be a male. It will 0.5 to 1, then it will be a intersex. Okay, so this mechanism, genic balance mechanism, is used in the sex determination mechanism. So first option is not correct. Yes, we can already know that. This is explanation about gene balance theory. So I'm taking the screenshot from my notes. Okay, so this is a method how we can determine the this ratio. We had already you should already know about it, that sixth index ratio, how we can determine number of X chromosome divided by number of set of autosome. Suppose this type of a set is there, 2X plus 2A. So our X chromosome number is 2 and number of autosome is also 2, so our ratio will be 1. So we can decide that this will be a Drosophila female. Okay, and if we will see the next option, you see here, if the case will be triple X plus 2A, so our number of X chromosome is 3. Okay, and number of set of autosome is 2 here, so ratio will be 1.5. So the case will be a super female Drosophila. Okay, now see the third option. Third option example is given. Suppose XY plus 2A type of combination is there. So you see here, XY is there, it means that one X chromosome is there. Okay, and two sets of autosome is there, so ratio will be 0.5. So it will be a male Drosophila. And along with that, one more information I want to give you. If the ratio between 0.5 to 1, okay, if the ratio is between 0.5 to 1, so it will be a means intersex type of Drosophila will be there. Male and female sex is not defined. Okay, and if it is more than one, it will be a super female. It is already given here. Now come to our second option, that is given, haploid diploid mechanism. So yes, this is also a sex determination mechanism, because we know that this haploid diploid mechanism is used in the wasp and honeybee ants. It means all the insect case. Yes, and this type of in this type of a sex determination, what is happening, diploid and haploid, by the set of chromosome we can define either it is male or female. Suppose you see here, if two sets means XX diploid sets are there, then we are telling this is a female. Okay, and if haploid means only one chromosome is there, means only X is there, or any half number of chromosome is there, we are telling unfertile egg. Yes or no? So this will be developed into a male. Okay, so this is written here. So if it is unfertile egg or haploid set of chromosome, so it will be developed into a male. But if the diploid will be there, two sets of chromosome is there, so two chances will be there, either worker or Kuhn. Okay, so if you will see that what is difference between worker and Kuhn, you will be observed that only difference is that there is no difference in the chromosome, difference in the feeding of royal honey. If that particular honey is feeding on the royal honey, so it will be converted into a Kuhn. Okay, and what it is function? Its function is only to lay down the egg. It will not involve in any other work. So second option is also not right. Okay. Now come to the third option that is given, I think so, metabolic mechanism. So what is metabolic mechanism? We already know about it. Metabolic mechanism, it means that they are talking about we are eating a starch, means complex food, and it is converted into a glucose. Yes or no? So two types of process we have learned in the biology, that is anabolism and catabolism. Yes or no? So this is a type of a digestion process. Okay, and what type of a metabolic activity happening inside our body? This is not a sex determination process. Okay, so from the my point of view, answer C is, according to my point of view, option C is right. Okay, now just take a look on the fourth option also. Here I wrote the 6, but it is actually a D option. Okay, according to the question, you see here single gene mechanism that we had learned in the name of allosomic determination sex. Okay, so they here several cases are there. Four cases I mentioned here: XX and XY type that is present in the human, that you already know about it. If XX type of ratio will XX type of chromosome combination is there, then it is a female. Yes, if XY is there, then it is a male. Okay, now next type of a combination you will be seeing the plants and grasshopper, that is XX is there, it means that this is a female. XO is there, that is a male. Yes or no? Okay, now come to the moth and butterfly. Some birds example is there, just opposite case is there. What is here? Suppose ZW is there, it means that this is a female, and Z is there, it means that this is a male bird. Okay, same thing is applied with the ZO. If ZO type of combination is here, it means that ZO moth, male female moth, or ZZ is there, it means that male moth. Okay, so these type of these are the sex determination. Three theories are there in the sex determination. So according to our question, just come to our question. Yes, according to our question, first option is genic balance mechanism. So we have seen that balance mechanism is a chromosomal mechanism for the sex determination. Yes. So it is asking not. Okay. So haploid diploid mechanism is also a chromosomal mechanism. Single gene mechanism is also a chromosomal mechanism. C option will be a right answer for this question. Okay. Now see here the explanation given here. I explained you already in the detail, but you read here. Metabolic mechanism is not a chromosomal mechanism. Got it? And for the sex determination, metabolic regulation is a physiological mechanism by which body take in nutrient and deliver energy as required. So several processes we have learned about in our graduation: lipolysis, glucogenesis, and ketogenesis. But chromosomal mechanism, animal with two different sex chromosome are of heterogametic sex and produce two types of a gamete, and there are three types of chromosomal sex determination. And what are these? This one we have already discussed in a detail: sex determination by allosomes and haploid diploid system, and genic balance system. Okay, thank you.